Bagaetsho ke le dumedisa ka pula. Radiating beauty with a purpose. I am Tshepiso Davis, born and raised in the village of Maun. I'm currently one of the beautiful ladies who are competing for the title of the Miss Universe Botswana 2027. Ladies and gentlemen, what's captivating about me is that I am an educator by profession. This course, I adore it much because it empowers young girls and boys to recognize their potential.
When I pass away, I want people to remember me as someone who provided unwavering support into the lives of humanity. People always remember how you treat them. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027, my specific impact focuses on mental health awareness. Good mental health shapes the way we communicate, regulates our emotion, and also builds trust with those who are around us. What makes my story unique is that it dismantles the illusion of the perfect life. It also emphasizes that success, beauty, and mental health challenges can coexist. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you. Peace.